Welcome to the garage at Horizon360 headquarters. Today, we're going to go through how to install a tracking device on a vehicle. It doesn't look like much, but this device has the power to transform any truck in your fleet into a mean, green business insight machine. These devices work in most modern trucks with an OBD port. On most vehicles, this is located either under the seat or dash. In the device's box should be a decal with an ESN. This number will connect your device to the software system. Place it on the device and snap a picture with your phone for reference. Plug the device into the OBD port. Once the device and cable is secured, a red LED light should flash when the car is running. Tuck it back under the seat or dash. Be sure to route and secure the device and cable so it won't become a hazard in your vehicle. Drive the vehicle around the block so your device can make the initial GPS connection. Back in the office, log on to Horizon360 and add your new device. Your photo of the ESN decal will come in handy here. Once your device is added, check the tracking section to make sure that your lap around the block got recorded. Going forward, information about when, where, and how your truck is used is right at your fingertips in Horizon360. Show chaos who's boss.